Hey crew, welcome to season 2 and welcome to Lisbon. We are at the bus station right now and I'm with a couple pilots. They're inside getting snacks. And we're headed up to Nazaré, which is one of the world's biggest big wave surf areas. And there's a big swell coming in a couple days, so I don't think we're going to catch that. But I think it's still going to be pretty epic. So I don't honestly know what we're getting into. I'm hoping to see a big wave and maybe some surfers, and that's about it. It's a 2-hour bus ride and should be a fun day. Well, after a 2-hour bus ride, we made it to Nazaré and stopped for a little coffee. I'm with Sherry and Kim, and so we're gonna have a little coffee, try to wake up a little bit, and then try to go find this. There's a lighthouse where you can watch the waves. Oops. There's a lighthouse where you can watch the waves and hopefully the surfers, and should be cool. Just got to the beach, and the lighthouse is right over there on those cliffs. So we're gonna go, there's a funicular over there we're gonna go get on and hopefully get out and see some big waves. And I'm really stoked about this. This is like one of those things you see on Instagram that doesn't seem real, and it's really not hard to get here because it's a 2-hour bus ride from Lisbon. And it's super easy. This is really cool. You can see the surfers getting pulled into the waves. Oh man, this is awesome. Places that just feels like a dream to be at. It's just unbelievable. It's really cool to see how the jet skis and the surfers work together. Like the jet skis launch them into the wave, they surf, and then the jet skis right there again to pick them up. So I learned that the reason Nazaré has such big waves is that there's a big canyon that leads in and right, it's super deep right to the shore basically. So the waves just build up huge. The waves we saw today weren't, I don't think, what they can be. I heard in a few days it's supposed to be like 80 feet, which would be pretty epic to see, but I'm here today and that was good enough. It's funny, on the way here I started thinking, I wonder if this is really worth the effort, because skipped sleeping, went straight out, 2-hour bus ride. And I would say 9 times out of 10, it's worth the effort. And the one time that it's not worth the effort, well, then you have a good story about a super tiring day. This has been like a dream to be here. This is like one of those just epic places that not many people get to see. But it was really cool. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell so you can get notified when I post new videos. Have an awesome day. See you guys next week.